Hey YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to jailbreak your iPod Touch or iPhone generation iOS 3 point something or higher. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Safari. When you're in Safari, you go to Google. It's google.com up there. And once you've gone to Google, you type in jailbreakme.com. You don't put any spaces. Alright, so once you've got that, you'll pop up to this. Well, after you type in jailbreakme.com, you click on the first description and it'll give you this. So you have Cydia, and you have install. All you do is click install, free, install, and it'll download just like your app. You go to your Springboard, you look at it. And then once it's done downloading, all you gotta do is just click on it. And by this time, your iPod is jailbroken, but I'm just going to show you guys how to download Source. Alright, so first you want to go to Manage, bottom, and then you want to click Sources in the middle, and it'll give you this page. At the top, it'll say Edit, and when you hit Edit, it'll say Add. So you hit Add, and it won't pop up to this. Mine just does this. I don't know why. Sorry guys. This is my first video. Okay. So once you have this, what you want to do is you edit, add, and all you add is IN, or no, scratch that. Repo, REPO, and you add. Alright, so it's REPO dot INSANELY, and then you put an I and then .com. That's it. You got it? And you might not be able to see that. Sorry for the camera quality, guys. But then you hit add source. It'll give you a source warning. You just hit add anyway, and it'll add it. So then you'll have something that looks generally like, it'll say insanely.com, and when it says that, it'll say insanely respiratory. And you'll see it's blue, it just says insanely. Alright, so when you do that, all you do is go to search, and you type in an app in the search bar called iLock, and it'll give you the lock screen just like I said. This is one of the most rated apps that people want once they jailbreak the iPod, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so you type in iLock, and you click on the second one, right there, and you hit install up at the top right corner. It usually say install, mine says modify, because I already have it. So you hit it, and you hit install, and you install it. You won't find, it'll make your iPod reboot. All you gotta do is click that black thing and on the bottom, it'll make your iPod reboot. So when your iPod reboots, all you gotta do is go to your settings, mine over here, and you scroll down, all the way down, and you'll see iLock. It's right there, and it looks like, just has like a regular padlock, like a lock thing. You'll see it. It's blue. And once you see that, you click on it, And from there, you can make all kinds of locks. You can advanced settings, current plugin, click pattern lock to make it what you want. And you pattern lock settings. Alright guys, that's it. Since this is my first video, I don't know really what to do, so I guess you rate, comment, subscribe. Please guys. Alright, thank you. Bye.